Mahilig si JP. Megs Molino. Hey, Taki-chan. Thank you, Sheila, for the stars. Ikaw pa rin by Roel Cortez. Thank you, Bench. Sige, let me try. I don't know the song though. Wow, ang cute ng pagtawag ng Dong. Yes, I call him Dong. If I ever fall in love again, I don't know how to sing it, but let me try. Song na I love you. Oh, these songs. I'm not familiar with them. Hey, Raidlin. Ano ba yung una? I forgot.
Wala. Hinahanap ko nga din yung kanina ya. Wala.
Ikaw pa rin. I don't know that one.
Hinahanap ko rin yung kanina.
Ikaw pa rin by... Pinapakanta nila ako, friend. Ikaw pa rin... Do you know Ikaw pa rin by Roel Cortez?
Ikaw pa rin.
That one? Where?
Ang hanap ng pusong likas.
Rosel?
Yun.
Roel.
Hawang patutunguhan
Roel Cortez.
at pupuntahan. Ay, kamukha mo doon si Elmo Magalona.
Di ba kay Jericho yun? Yung kanta na yun?
I don't know.
Ikaw naman, chamba-chamba ka naman.
Kaya mo naman kumanta kahit ang puto.
Palagi kantahin mo. Pwede yun. I think I know it.
Balikan ng hirap luhat.
Thank you, Princess Anna. Appreciate that.
Pagtingin